Yeah, guys. So, like I said, I just like to watch my profits on a weekly basis. And another thing I like to talk about is um, what I believe traders should do when they're trading. Far as like what's your daily profit targets and things of that nature. I'm from the school of I don't believe you should have a daily profit target um, per se. I do believe you should have a stop loss. Like if you just feel like you're getting ripped to pieces and you're losing constantly, you should take the day off. I do believe that because my day started off pretty well, and then some would say you could have stopped and had a pretty decent day, but I look at that and I say, okay, well, if my just let's just hypothetically say my day profit target was $500, right? And one day I make $500, and the next day I lose $500, and I make $500, and I lose $500, and that Friday I make $500, right? So if I was if that was the case, and then at the end of the week I make $500, right? But my mentor taught me, like, if you're trading well, you just continuously to keep trading because you want that outlier day. Just how I hunt outlier trades, I actually hunt outlier days too. Just because the outlier day is going to make up for the days when you have low volatility, there's nothing going on, maybe you have a small winner, you have a small loser. Volatility, I mean, your outlier days are going to make up for that. Just like your outlier, today is a prime example. After I had two pretty decent trades, everything else was break even, small winners, a lot of, a couple full stop outs, but today was still a profitable day because those outlier trades carried me through the day actually. And he always told me to keep trading because you just never know when them outlier days come. If you made $500 and you done for the day, and you come back and look at the charts and you could have made 2,500, then you kind of missed out on a prime opportunity, I think. So that's the reason why I keep trading. Because it may look like, why'd you keep trading? You had a pretty, that first trade was pretty good, and then the second, second trade to the upside was pretty good too. So why didn't you stop trading? That's the reason why I didn't stop trading, because I didn't know the day was going to play out like it did. Nobody knows how the day is going to play out, and this day easily, a couple breaks here and a couple breaks there. This easily could have been a huge day for me, but I did give some back. I did get chopped to pieces a little bit. Like I said, it was a lot of break evens, small losses, reduced risk losses. It was a lot of that, and then I caught the one at the end, but for the most part, those outlier trades carried me through the day, and I just don't believe having profit targets per day. I do believe in having stop losses per day, but I don't believe having profit targets per day. Now, if you're beginning or you're in the middle of beginning and kind of like learning, it's good to have a profit target somewhat because you just want to get your confidence up. But once you get to a level where you're even consistently profitable or mildly profitable, you should just keep trading through the day. I mean, yesterday was a prime example. I just kept trading through the day and I just kept hitting, trade after trade after, trade after trade. So, and today was just the opposite. I kept trading through the day and I just kept getting break evens. I kept getting small losses and things like that. But that's trading, guys, and it happens. So that's just my daily wisdom is what I call it. And these are all things that I was taught from my mentors. That when I do talk to them, they kind of ingrain this in me. And I don't get to talk to all my mentors all the time, but I do get to talk to some of them at least a couple times a week, But and these are trading mentors, and this is what they tell me. So I just thought I would share that with you guys today. But today was a good day, interesting day, good action. I couldn't ask for better action. Just got chopped to pieces a little bit towards the middle of the day, and I missed the trade of the week. I went on lunch, but hey, what are you gonna do about it? So hope this helps you guys. Helps. I'm just trying to get better every day. Let's help each other out. And if you have any questions, just let me know.